आ जाओ।
Hi, I am Deepak Ansuya for Kushti Wrestling. So let us see how children are practicing local Kushti Wrestling here in this akhada. Thanks. And today is my visit to this akhada and show the world how the culture of wrestling is growing over here. And I just want to give your attention towards the fact that wrestling has been eliminated from Olympics. And do you know why? There are reasons like low sale of tickets, lower interest of people, too many technicalities, and people not coming to watch wrestling. Some of the excuses or some of the reasons may be true, but not at all, because wrestling is historic, is the most ancient, and in the first Olympics in 708 before Christ it was played, and in the next modern Olympic it was a game. Unlike these excuses or laments, FILA is going to change some rules and going to introduce more women. These are welcome moves, and wrestling has been always very much popular in India. As you can see, we can see akhadas or wrestling schools in every village, and it was popular through the local wrestling competitions where the village boys used to compete and win medals and laurels for their village or guru. स्वर्गीय गुरु जसमाल अखाड़ा, गांव नाथुपुर, हरियाणा। स्वर्गीय गुरु जसमाल के पुत्र सुनील पहलवान बताते हैं कि नाथुपुर गांव का गुरु जसमाल अखाड़ा क्षेत्र का सबसे प्राचीन अखाड़ा रहा है। अखाड़े के गुरु जसमाल पहलवान आजीवन कुश्ती के प्रति समर्पित रहे। कुश्ती और पहलवानों की सेवा के अलावा उन्हें कुछ सूझता भी न था। पहलवानों को घर से जगा कर लाना, उनका अभ्यास कराना, कुश्ती के दाव पेच की शिक्षा देना, दंगलों तथा मैट के खेलों में भाग लेना उनकी दिनचर्या थी। पहलवानी सीखने के अपने बचपन के दिनों से लेकर अपने अंतिम समय तक वे कुश्ती के प्रति समर्पित रहे। ऐसे महान व्यक्तित्व को मेरी भावभीनी श्रद्धांजलि। कुछ एक साल पहले बीमार होने पर उन्होंने श्री पहलवान व जिले पहलवान को बुलाया और अखाड़े को चलाने का जिम्मा सौंपकर कहा कि बच्चों को तैयार करो और अपने गांव देहात का नाम रोशन करो। श्री पहलवान व जिले पहलवान बताते हैं कि जो शिक्षा गुरुजी ने उन्हें दी वो उसका पालन कर रहे हैं और वही शिक्षा वो आगे बच्चों को दे रहे हैं और आगे भी देंगे। जिले व श्री पहलवान की कोशिशों के परिणाम स्वरूप बच्चे अच्छा प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, लेकिन 30 साल से भी ऊपर चल रही इस अखाड़े में मूलभूत सुविधाओं की कमी बहुत अखरती है। Son of late Shri Guru Jasmal, named Sunil Pahalwan, told me that this is the oldest akhada of this region, and the Guru Jasmal of this akhada remained devoted to the cause of wrestling throughout his entire life. He used to wake up wrestlers from their houses in the morning and take them to the akhada for practice, and taking part in local wrestling competition and mat competition was a daily course. From his childhood till his ending days, he remained working for wrestling, leaving anything aside. My condolences to such a great person. He fell ill a few years before and handed over the akhada reins to Sri Pahalwan and Jile Pahalwan. Jile Pahalwan and Sri Pahalwan told me that they are following Jasmal's teachings and will hand over the same teachings to the disciples of the Akhada. The pupils are learning well and showed some good result recently in school level and at dangals. However, lack of mat and even basic facilities disappointed me a lot.